Okay, let's take these Dollar Tree lemon placemats and make something really cool. We're gonna make a table runner. Right here, I'm just matching up the best ends that look, I guess, more cohesive together. And I'm going to remove the tags and everything, and then we're gonna go to the sewing machine and get started. So here I'm just showing you how easy it is to make a table runner from these placemats. You just meet the ends together and use a zigzag stitch to catch both ends and sew them together, and that's it. If you don't have a sewing machine or you're not a sewer, you can just do a quick whip stitch by hand with needle and thread and do the same thing. It'll just be a little more time consuming, but you can still achieve the same look. And it's super easy and super simple. It goes along real quick. I just use white thread because it blended seamlessly into the placemats. And again, here we are doing the same thing, just butting end to end and using a zigzag stitch to catch both ends at that seam. And just take your time. And again, like I said, you can do this by hand with a needle and thread. It's totally up to you. And this is a quick little project that you can, again, put together in no time. And for my table, I had to use 6 placemats. But you can, I guess, measure your table to know how many you may need for your particular one. And there they are, end to ends, butted together. And here it is on my kitchen table. And it looks really, really nice. And looking at it from a distance, you really can't see where they're sewn together. It just looks like one continuous runner. Again, I use 6, but you could just adjust, the length according to your table. But yeah, I use 6 and love how it turned out. I just styled it with, the usual things that I keep on my table: a fruit bowl, salt and pepper shaker, and a napkin holder. But I love how this turned out. It looks really nice against the coloring of the table, or the wood grain of the table. So yeah, super easy. And I'm gonna come back with another little lemon DIY from the Dollar Tree items. This next clip is just gonna show you how I combined the table runner with an existing one that I already had. I got the one that's underneath from Williams-Sonoma before our store closed, and it's just a nice lemon yellow table runner that I use every year for summer and, well, spring, summer, and early fall, if you will. And it works really nicely on top of this solid lemon yellow table runner. I love how that looks, and it just looks really nice on the table. So this is the final look that I went with, just by layering the two. So you can mix and match, use what you already have and combine some of the new items that you can find in stores now with, like I said, what you already have, and it looks really nice. So I'm just really super excited about how this little project turned out. Love the look of this. Y'all just don't know. But I'm gonna come back with a kitchen tour, so you can see how everything looks together. So thanks for watching, y'all, and if you haven't already, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next